In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Obsidian Mobile notes. By the end, you'll have your notes ready to stay up to date across your devices using your Obsidian account. Start by opening the Obsidian app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load your vault. At the very top left, you'll see a small box-shaped icon. Tap that to open the main panel where you'll find navigation and app options. If the icon isn't visible, a gentle swipe in from the left edge usually reveals the same panel on most phones. Now look toward the bottom of that panel for the gear icon. That's your settings. Tap it to open the settings screen. Inside settings, find the sync option and tap it. This is where you connect your device to your Obsidian account so your notes can securely sync in the background. You'll be prompted to sign in. Type the email associated with your Obsidian account, then enter your password. Take a moment to double check for typos, especially if your keyboard auto-capitalizes the first letter. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to use it for accuracy. And if you have two-factor authentication on your account, have your code ready so you can complete verification without delays. Once you've signed in, the app links your device to your account. Behind the scenes, Obsidian prepares your notes to sync, which may take a moment the first time, especially on slower connections or with larger vaults. For the smoothest experience, keep the app open and your screen awake until the initial activity calms down. After that, sync will continue quietly in the background while you work. That's all there is to it. Open Obsidian, tap the box icon to access the panel, go into Settings, choose Sync, and log in with your account. From there, your notes will stay in step across your devices. If you're on a shared device, remember to keep your credentials private and sign out later if needed. You're now set up to capture ideas on the go and find them waiting on your other devices whenever you need them.